Hello, family. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Gadgets. In the mobile digital field, there aren't many content creators who primarily use Honor flagship phones. Well, I happen to be one of them. About a month ago, I upgraded from my Magic 5 Smart Pin board to the Magic 6 Pro, and today, I'm excited to share some of its magical beauty with you. Let's dive into the appearance first. Compared to its predecessor, the Magic 6 Pro has seen significant improvements. The front straightness has been enhanced, moving the upper left corner's hole punch to a more central position. The bezels of the four-curved screen have been reduced, giving it a higher screen-to-body ratio. The back cover maintains its curved design, with the near mode position slightly lowered for better balance. The high-gloss metal circle around the module adds a touch of elegance. In short, the design is stunning and well-coordinated. Despite the phone's weight of 225 grams and nearly 76 millimeters body width, which might feel hefty, the straight-edge design and narrower sides make it manageable. You might feel the heft initially, but you quickly get used to it, and it feels solid and premium in your hand. Now, let's talk performance. The Magic 6 Pro is equipped with the Xianglong 8.3 PD-Wax memory and EFS 4.0 flash memory, a standard high-end Android setup. The seamless design flow, top-notch animation, and smoothness in switching between different FGs are impressive. The device also offers 4,300 Hz high-frequency dimming, enhancing your viewing experience even in low light. This feature is particularly useful for those who use their phones extensively in various lighting conditions, ensuring a consistently comfortable viewing experience. However, the screen has its quirks. While the Magic 6 Pro's screen parameters are impressive, with 4,300 Hz strip light, 1,600 nit full brightness, and 5,000 Northern Territory style brightness, the overall look and feel could have been better. It's a solid performer but could benefit from some tweaks. For example, the color accuracy and contrast could use some fine-tuning to match the high standards set by other flagship phones. When it comes to the camera, the Magic 6 Pro stands out. With a 62mm focal length for high-res photos, the results are impressive, though slightly behind competitors like Vivo Pro in some aspects. The camera setup includes advanced features like night mode, portrait mode, and ultra-wide-angle capabilities, making it versatile for various shooting conditions. Battery life is robust with a 5,600 HP battery, and wireless charging is a breeze at 1066W. This ensures that the phone can keep up with your daily activities without frequent recharges. Magic OS 8.0, the phone's UI, is a major upgrade. It's beautiful, incorporating full-color new product displays, smart table settings, and more natural animations. Functional improvements like Open Any Door and better space management are fantastic. These enhancements make the user experience more intuitive and enjoyable. However, there are still areas for improvement, such as the lack of third-party recording apps and some minor bugs. These issues can be addressed with future updates, ensuring a smoother experience over time. Lastly, the built-in services have seen changes, with Huawei services being phased out. While this transition brings some inconveniences, it also opens up opportunities for new partnerships. For instance, the collaboration with Iyun for music services brings a refreshing change, offering a better overall experience. This shift signifies a move towards greater independence and innovation for Honor. Overall, the Magic 6 Pro is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering a well-rounded package with excellent performance, beautiful design, and a much improved UI. If you're interested, head to a store and check it out for yourself. The hands-on experience will give you a better understanding of its capabilities and how it can fit into your daily life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.